What's up, guys? This is not my channel. I don't know really what I'm doing. They're cleaning something back there, so I really don't know.
A pumpkin. This is literally a pumpkin.
So something to do with the differential. Ignore them. We're working on that broken thing today, so update on the car. I think he's almost done with it. Well, not technically almost done. The engine's almost done. The machine shop, I guess, is working on his block, and once that's there, he's gonna put in. Shut your dumb. Because I'm the one that gets you views. Hey, oh yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's gonna be right here. Anyways, that's my Subaru. Has a burble tune on it. Please go check out my POV driving. But yeah, like I was saying, this car, blocks in the machine shop something, and it's supposed to be done at the end of this year, so I have no idea. So yeah.
Alright, what's going on, guys? I don't know what the hell Brian told you guys, but so basically my engine's still at the machine shop. So my engine's still at the machine shop. So we're gonna, you know, I'm working on my Cobra IRS swap. Yeah, that happened if you haven't seen any of my other videos. But to this, my Mustang, my GT, 2003 GT, I am doing a Cobra IRS swap, which is, you know, independent rear suspension. So I'm also doing a differential rebuild.
What does IRS mean?
It's the people that come take your taxes and stuff.
I didn't pay it.
Oh shit, yeah. But independent rear suspension. So in today's video, we are doing a diff rebuild.
Move your big hat.
I already went ahead and disassembled. This is the LSD. I already went ahead and disassembled it. We're swapping out the clutches for carbon fiber clutches. Carbon fiber clutches are a lot better. I did this on my other differential, and it basically acts like a welded diff, but it's not a welded diff.
It makes it lighter.
Yeah, that too. But yeah. So first off, we're basically gonna clean up the diff really good. Then we're gonna install the clutches, put the spider gears back on, along with the S spring. We don't know if we're gonna be able to do this today because we need a vise.
It's not recording.
Huh?
It's not recording. I'm just kidding. It is.
Oh.
See, I'm funnier to make videos with than Jay.
Did you just diss Jay on video?
Is it really true that Jay is like fastest?
That Jay's what?
Fastest?
We think so.
Jay, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, just imagine. Well, I mean, he kind of did twin turbo his 350Z, you know? Like, who else in the group would ever twin turbo 350Z?
Yeah, because he had a twin turbo nitrous 350. Anyways, so back to my Mustang. So yeah, that's all today's video is going to be, as installing the clutches, the S spring, and basically getting that back together. For the bearings, I am going to be replacing all the bearings, but they have to be pressed out. We don't have a press, so we will be taking it to, well, he's going to take it to his work to get that taken care of. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and now do a jump cut to where we actually get started on it. So also, like I said, I just want to show you guys, this is my bearing kit. It's a 4 performance bearing kit, basically replacing all the bearings, the shims, axle nut, and the pinion seal. And then also, I was previously running 410 gears in my car. I'm going to be switching that over to a set of 373s. So before I ran 410s because my car was NA, all I had was exhaust. So I wanted something really torquey, so I went with 410. But now that I'm going to be boosted, I'm running a Vortec V3 supercharger, which is over there. And yeah, ignore that oil leak, I'm getting it rebuilt. But I'm thinking about it. But
So you're thinking about getting a rebuild, and you're not that you're getting.
I most likely will.
Come in, Brandon. Come in.
Okay.
Oh man, that's the plate on the bottom of the microwave.
Oh yeah. So these.
What? You know the thing that spins?
So this is a set of 373 gears. This is the crush sleeve, and this is the axle nut. I don't know why I have two, but yeah, I'm gonna be running 373s because, you know, I have a lot more power, so I don't need such tall gears. So I'm gonna go 373. I'm thinking this might be too tall, but I don't know. We'll see. But I think 373 would be really good for my car. A lot of boosted 2 valves run 373s. So yeah, on to the video. So we have the carbon fiber clutches in this bag, and we soaked it with friction modifier. What friction modifier does is it makes the carbon fiber clutches, or the LSD, makes it last a lot longer. So it's good to soak them in the fluid, so you know, when the car starts up because it's driving, it doesn't have like a dry start. That's one thing too.
It also smells very bad.
The fluid smells really bad, not the friction modifier.
It smells pretty bad.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is we have the old clutches right here. We have the old clutches right here lined up. So this is a washer. I have no idea what this is. What's this, Austin? This part?
I don't know what it's called, but it acts like the flywheel.
Oh, okay. Okay, I kind of get it. But yeah. So what we did is the old ones we lined them up because they have to go back in the same exact order. So we're gonna go ahead and put them back on the spider gear in the same order and put them in the diff. So, like I said again, this is the second one we're doing. We're going to put all of it in order, and they're really easy to slide in. Make sure these are lined up, otherwise it's not going to go in because it only goes in one way. And then yeah, just basically go ahead and slide it in, which Elson's going to do right now. Or Ace 350Z.
Hell yes.
Yeah, just like that, slides in.
Now it's
There you go. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and put in the two small spider gears, which are really easy to put in, especially since we have the diff out of the car. So we went ahead and after we put in these two spider gears, and we went ahead and put in the S-spring. The S-spring is really difficult to put in. What we do is we compress it with a vice grips. A vice would be a lot easier, but it's kind of all we have. And then we compressed it, hammered it down into the middle. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the pin through. And it also lubed it up with the friction modifier. So then yeah, after he puts it in. Right. Anyways.
she said.
So then there is a hole right here. A bolt's gonna go in right here where my finger is. And then there's a hole on the
I'm gonna put it in again.
Yeah, so this bolt, don't ever reuse it. Every time you buy this kit, it comes with a brand new one with Loctite on it already. So after this bolt,
8mm.
This is an 8mm. You go ahead and
5/16.
go ahead and torque this bolt down, and that's basically it for the. You know what? We'll go ahead and torque it down for you guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and put this bolt, tighten this bolt down. That's basically it for the differential. And I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this is out of a Cobra. So if you have a live axle, you actually have to put the axles in first before you put the S-spring and the clip and you tighten this bolt down. But since I have a Cobra, it's a little bit different. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. This bolt, you just go ahead and torque it down, you know, pretty much hand tight with, or I mean tight as you can get it with a 1/4 ratchet.
Almost stripped.
So pretty much all I like to say in this video, Kumar32 or Low White GT didn't do anything on his car. Holy fuck. Make sure you cut that out.
Yep. Cool. Alright, cool. So that bolt's tight.
What?
The honk's not working.
The honk?
The horn?
The horn?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, that's basically it for putting in brand new carbon fiber clutches. I highly recommend these clutches. You can buy this whole assembly, but it's like $200 something. These carbon fiber clutches are $80 something. So you'll be saving a lot of money, and this is not too difficult of a job to do. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to